Hi guys, I am back with yet another refreshing summer drink, the Virgin Pina Colada, a pineapple coconut mocktail. This is the list of ingredients required. The first step is to extract the coconut milk. In a blender, take half cup of grated coconut, add 1 cup of water to it, and blend for 1 minute. Pour this over a strainer and using a spoon, press and extract the coconut milk. Take this coconut back into the blender. Add 1 more cup of water and blend for 1 minute again. Extract the coconut milk as before. The coconut milk is now ready. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now to prepare the mocktail. Take 2 cups of chopped pineapples in the blender. Add the coconut milk, half cup of sugar, and 6 to 8 ice cubes. Blend till it is smooth. Pour this onto the strainer. Strain to extract the clear juice. Discard the fibers. To serve this mocktail, take 1 teaspoon of chopped pineapples in a tall glass. Pour in the juice. And garnish with a slice of pineapple. This mocktail with the delicious flavors of pineapple and coconut is perfect to refresh and rejuvenate you this summer. Enjoy! If you like this video, please like, share and leave your comments below. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you.